Hello everyone. Today I'm doing a review on the book My First Word Book About Nature from USBORNE. And it's a great book. It's a board book with cardstock pages and it's this thick and there are several more in the series My First Word Book About. This is the first one that I've got and it is a great book for preschoolers because it's very informative and it has got lots of images that they can identify and talk about and then learn about. So on the first page itself we have dragonfly, eagle, and the picture is very clearly given and the name is given below it, and it's given in different sections like trees and seasons. So different kinds of trees and how trees look, the same tree, how it looks in different seasons. Then it goes on to woodland animals and the animals that are found in woodland, and the picture is very neat and the labeling is done as well, so the child can clearly make out what kind of animal it is, what kind of bird it is, or what picture it is. And then we have all these birds with the names given below, and here it's given peacock, but a child might wonder what these are. So it's written here feathers, and pigeon, and what is this thing? That's its claw. And here we have the tail, so this is the nest, and in the nest there's the egg. So it's a very detailed book, and this is about flowers and plants, different kinds of flowers, different kinds of plants. We might not see them around us here, but it's good to know about them. And then this is my favorite page in the whole book. Animals on the farm. The farm animals are labeled clearly, and you can see the cow, the calf, the differences in the size, the differences in the colors, and the goat's baby, and then ewe, that's female sheep, then ram, male sheep, and then baby lamb, and all the duckling. So all these animals are given along with their babies. So that's another thing for a child to learn. And then we have bugs and insects. Some of these we see at home, some others we see out in the garden, and you can teach your children all about insects and what they do, whether they bite, what happens when they bite. So you can warn them about them. And then here we have by the river, so which kind of animals are found near the river. So these are the animals. And frog spawn, these are fish eggs or frog eggs, and then that turns into a tadpole when it hatches, then into a frog. This is a toad. So lots of things you can teach your child, and they can ask you questions about so many things. Inside the sea, then on the shore. This is the sand part and this is the sea part. So what kind of animals are found near the shore area, the beach area. And this is out and about, so outside, forest, rain. It's actually, you can see the few droplets, they're falling from the cloud, and that's the arrow mark that says rain. And I'm sorry about this, my camera just keeps focusing and defocusing again. So in the field here we have sheep and lambs, and there's the wall that separates it from the outside part. And this is the path, puddle, that's a dog, a bridge, rainbow, then mountains, snow. It's all labeled very clearly, so children get a rough idea about like what a field looks like, what forests look like, what's a rainbow, and how the river looks like, and just a basic idea about the scenery. Then wildlife park or the zoo, where, or maybe the national park, uh, where you can spot all these animals, different zoo animals, wild animals. And here we have nature table, that is, what kind of leaf is this, what leaf is this. This is for older children definitely, but again, it's a very good addition in the book. Different kinds of leaves, different kind of shells, bark, what's a bark, what's a twig, what's a fossil. These are lots of new words for your child to learn, and it's very good to keep those curious minds occupied. And then you have to show these to your children, and then they have to identify what object it is, and probably try to like search where it is in the pages of the book. So this is a great book. I got it for $3.99, and no, sorry, the MRP is $3.99, but I got it cheaper on Amazon. I think I got it for $3.17 or something like that. So it's a great book for toddlers, older toddlers, preschoolers, and even for children in their first grade as well, because it's got a lot of information, a lot of new stuff for them to learn, different from the normal wildlife books or plant books that is usually available in the market. So I would definitely recommend this book, and I hope this review was helpful. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.